So quick recap, we've talked about channels on this channel before, and channels are a mechanism for Goroutines to communicate with one another. However, we've only talked about bidirectional channels. And by default, when you instantiate a channel using the make command, in this case, a channel of type string, it is bidirectional, meaning it operates with sending and receiving data to and from the channel. However, what if we want a unidirectional channel? We want to enforce the fact that you can only send to the channel or receive from the channel. So there's a unique syntax for that. For the send data method, we have a send only channel. And you can see that the arrow points to the channel, meaning that we can only send strings to the channel. And inside this method, we send hello from send data into the send only channel. Similarly, what if we want to create a unidirectional channel that is only able to receive data from the channel and cannot send to it? For receive data, we have a channel of type string where we can only receive from the channel. And this is the syntax to receive from it. We extract the message from the receive only channel and we print it. What's interesting about this code snippet is that we create a bidirectional channel of type string using the make command, and then we spin up two concurrent Goroutines, send data and receive data, that work in the background. And it's non-blocking, so the main function will continue after we execute these two Goroutines. But what's interesting about this is that we're passing a bidirectional channel to two method signatures that only accept unidirectional channels. But this isn't exactly true. We can actually pass the bidirectional channel into a method signature that accepts a unidirectional channel, but once that channel is passed as a parameter, it is actually treated as a unidirectional channel within the method itself. So what will happen is this Goroutine will start, and then this code here will begin attempting to send a string to the channel. But this is a blocking operation. We need a receiver in order for this send operation to the channel to be executed. So this second Goroutine will start concurrently, and then it will begin receiving on the same channel. Once line 15 runs and line 10 is able to be unblocked, the string will be sent to the send only channel, which is the same bidirectional channel that was passed in to receive data. And the receive data method will be able to extract the message from that same channel and print it out. And the reason we have this print line statement in main is to block its execution to provide the Goroutines sufficient time to execute. So when we run this, we can see that it says main function completed. That's because this is not a sufficient timeout or sufficient wait time to allow the Goroutines to actually coordinate between one another so that one can send, the other can receive, and then we can print out the received message. So what if I add a time.sleep for 1 second? Does this provide sufficient time? Well, this is a lot of time in the world of, channel synchronization. So we can see that now we're actually correctly seeing received hello from send data. And this concludes unidirectional channels.